Hello guys, do you love fish? If you like fish, then welcome for today's video. And this is expensive sea fish I'm going to cook today, and also I'll share with you. So I make this video for you. So if you're ready, let's get into it. This is sea bass. You can see here, this is sea bass. Expensive, yes, like a giant 2 kilos up, 2 kilos more here. This is sea bass. I will make it oven grill. I'll make it oven grill. So for the oven grill, it will be same like Arabic style. So for the Arabic style, I need this ingredient. Here the ingredients are here. This is coriander. It's finely chopped coriander, and this is dill leaves. This is dill leaves. I will chopped it also, and you saw there onion. 3 medium size of onion is there, and I'm going to chop it for the spice. Now I am going to clean up this fish. You need to clean so nicely, and this is the interesting things for the sea bass. You can see here how I am going to clean up this one, and I'll not take out any things from inside. Just I'll check if there has any dust. I'll take out. If there is nothing, no need. Just leave this another things there, and I will put stuff here. See, I'm looking for dust here, so I think nothing here. This is so clean. Yeah, this is so clean, so no need to throw anything. Just leave it like this. And when you are going to cook sea fish, so my suggestion to you, clean nicely your fish by turmeric, black pepper, and lemon juice, and of course salt. So that is for your cleaning fish. So now I am going to prepare my stuffing. Here I show you so closely because you can see there is no oil. I am frying this onion without oil, and I hope you will try one time without oil. Cook your onion, and you will get extra flavor for your food, which one give you more taste. So I will fry this onion without oil until this onion will coming soft. So fry it, stir it, because if you consistently not stirring this onion, your onion will be black, it will be burning because there is no oil. So carefully stirring your onion. So when you will see this onion is coming soft, I will put oil. That time I will put oil. So stir it, and I will show you my all the ingredient, which one I am going to use one by one. So as you see here, my onion is coming soft and is giving little bit of color. So it's time to add oil. Only 3 tablespoons of oil I used here for frying nicely with onion, and my extra ingredient I will fry with this oil. This is the stuffing. This is the stuffing I'm preparing for my sea bass. And now I'll use my spices here. Before adding your spices, I will going to use half chopped tomato. I will use half chopped tomato because this tomato will give a little bit of watery, little bit of thicky for the onion, so that the spices will be mixing. The spices will be covered each other so nicely. So this is the half chopped tomato here, and I will cook this tomato with onion until this tomato are coming soft. This tomato will coming melted until I will fry that one. So as I told you before, consistently fry your onion and tomato. Then when you will see the tomato is melted, this tomato is soft, the thickness for the onion is come out, that time I will use dry crushing lemon. One dry lemon I will crush it, then I am going to use with this tomato and onion. So it's need take time for crushing this lemon. So here is the finish that one, and I am going to use here, and you are watching here. This is the crushing dry lemon for little sour, for little sweet from onion. This all together will give you just delicious taste. And one by one I used here coriander leaves and dill leaves, and mix with this tomato, this your spices with onion. And now time to use the original spices. I am going to use the spices here. This is the turmeric powder. As you see, this is half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, this is half teaspoon cumin powder. All will be half teaspoon. The measurement will be half teaspoon, and that one I used cumin powder, half teaspoon cumin powder. That is cardamom powder. And this is cinnamon powder. And before I used cardamom powder. And must be salt for your taste. After finish used your all the ingredient, mixed very nicely with each other. So when you will stuffing that one on sea bass, the flavor, the taste will be going the inside of sea bass, and the sea bass will give you just the excellent taste. Here is the stuffing. Oh, and more importantly, this stuffing we call hashu. This is in Arabic name is hashu. We call it hashu. There are so many different kind of hashu we are used here in our food. So this is one of them. We are used basically we are used in fish recipe. So this is the stuffing. You can see how I am using, how I am put inside the fish. I didn't cut from middle. See, from where, this is the way I used here. So I think you will try at your home as like I show you. And this is the way. This is the oven pan. And before the fish will go to on your oven, just preheat your oven and to make little bit of decoration for your fish, because this top up of your fish, this tomato, this onion and this lemon will give you extra taste and extra flavor. With this vegetable, use sprinkle of salt for this vegetable, sprinkle of salt. So my oven is also ready. Now cover it with foil. Need to cover it with foil, and I will keep that one on my oven for 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours is the perfect time for cook this sea bass. So I hope you enjoy this today's recipe. If you are enjoy, you can hit the like button, or you can tell me something in comment below. So, and also you can share it with your friends if you really like it. And if you are new here, consider your subscribe with hit the bell icon. So when next time I will upload my recipe, you will see very fast and very soon. So stay connected. Until take care, have fun. Hope we will talk soon. Bye bye.